Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ANIE VSM School. I am Rahila Ferdowsi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is Physical Education. Our today's topic Chapter 3, Lesson 3 to 5, and our lecture number is 6. I am Rahila Ferdowsi, and now my dear students, let's come to our class, to our lesson. We were in Chapter 3, Introduction of Health Science and Health Service. We will start Lesson 3, the influence of the persons of the same age in case of drug addiction. You have learned that the drug addict person causes immeasurable loss to his personal, family, and social life. In particular, the teenagers get addicted to drug influenced by their friends and share out of curiosity. Apart from that, there are some other reasons for being a drug addict. For example, happy conjugal life between the parents is absent in some families, or sometimes they get separated. As a result, the children of those families go astray, and very often they take drugs. Many persons indulge in taking drugs with the intention of forgetting the pain, frustration, and failures in life. If parents or any other member of the family takes drugs, the children of that family easily get addicted to drug. Again, these may happen due to the indulgence of the guardians. The drug is easily available in the border areas of the country. The drug traders of that area tempt others to take drugs through various ways. They fall victim to that temptation and develop the habit of drug taking. Nowadays, some shopkeepers and people of slum areas buy and sell drugs. They also influence others to take drugs. Though it is very horrifying, but it is true that this picture is noticed in different educational institutions. In this way, a person is easily encouraged to take drugs. The influence of these persons of the friends of same age group, classmates, and companions is the most common sight in the case of drug addiction. During the period of adolescence, the boys and girls spend most of the time in schools with friends and companions. If some of them become drug addicts by their instigation or out of curiosity, gradually others get addicted to drugs. In order to stay away from this type of bad influence of the friends and companions, one needs to be self-conscious and to have firm determination. Lesson 4, Resistance to Drug Addiction. You have learned about the harmful effects of drug addiction. The number of the drug addicts is increasing day by day. You are to know what should be done to protect the family and the members of the society from the dangerous grip of drugs. Drug addiction is a dangerous thing. Everybody should know the technique of prevention from this bad habit. Personal and social resistance are to be built up before the occurrence of anything like drug addiction. At the same time, it is essential to provide proper treatment and rehabilitation of the addicted ones. Now, you are to know how you will protect your own family and the members of the society from drug-addicted persons. You can take the following actions in order to get rid of these bad habits. Number 1, to set up an anti-drug organization and club with a view to making aware of the youths and the public of the locality about the drug abuse. To organize the anti-drug publicity and rally through these organizations. Number 2, to ensure the participation of the reputed personalities, journalists, literary figures, teachers, athletes, popular actors, artists in the anti-drug propaganda. To organize functions against drug abuse in different educational institutions. The imams of the mosque, through their khutbahs at the Juma prayers on Fridays, and the priests in their prayers done in mandirs, churches, and at the other national days are to be involved in order to create public awareness against the harmful effects of drugs. The school authority can take steps to declare the school free from smoking and drug. Some pictures and posters containing the different aspects of the evil consequences of taking drug and the changes in the behavioral pattern of the drug addict persons can be displayed in market areas and at some prominent places. The public awareness can be created in this way. You have now learned that some persons start taking the drug out of curiosity or at the instigation of their friends. Apart from this, there are other causes like frustration, boredom, unemployment, misery, agony, etc. The programs related to sports, recreational and physical activities should be arranged for the youths to get rid of those unwanted bad habits. Lesson 5. To cope with the pressure of taking drugs. You have learned about the drugs, its evil consequences and resistance in the previous lessons. Now you should know how you can cope with the pressure of taking drugs. If you have got the knowledge how you can stay away from drugs, you can build a drug-free life easily. You will avoid tactfully the request and pressure from your friends or classmates to take drugs. The remedies to be followed to avoid the pressure and request of taking drugs are: Number 1. Do not go to those places where the drug is available. The bad people of those areas can create pressure on you to take drugs. Number 2. Do not take any medicine or tablets given by some of your friends telling you that you would get extra energy by taking those. Rather, you will try to let them know the harmful effects of those drugs and try to abstain them from taking those medicines. Number 3. Do not mix with the persons who ever take drugs in your neighborhood or locality. Number 4. If any of your friends oppose you to take part in their gossip while they are sitting in the shops, say no to them politely. They are to be convinced that it is much better to spend the time in studies or in games and sports. Number 5. From the religious point of view, any type of taking drug along with smoking is prohibited. Abide by this prohibition strictly. Number 6. Accidents may occur at any time in life. Taking of drug is not the remedy for this. One should be self-confident and determined to avoid this bad habit. Number 7. Spend the leisure time in playing or participating in cultural activities. Number 8. Help the elders in doing some household chores. This makes the family bonds strong. Number 9. The society will be benefited if you participate in service-oriented activities in the society along with your friends together. You will be self-motivated, gratified, and this will help you to be free from drugs. Number 10. Play an active role in different programs to raise public awareness to stay away from drugs according to Smoking and Tobacco Products Uses Control Rules 2015. Smoking is prohibited in educational institutions, libraries, hospitals, clinics, cinema halls, theaters, children parks, public vehicles, playgrounds and restaurants. One who violates this rule will be fined Taka 300. It is the Act of 2013. He will be fined the double amount if he commits the same crime for the second time or repeatedly. Okay, my dear student, this is all for today. Stay well, stay safe, and you must read the chapters very well for your upcoming assignments. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.